Today I have a very special idea to show you. It is easy, fast, and this idea is going to allow you to reuse, remake, and take out of your drawer your vintage earrings. So you can go from this to this. Stay in this video because I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Let's start. Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a short, easy and fabulous project. Probably you have big earrings in your jewelry box that you don't use, so give them a chance and give them an opportunity to use them again in a different way. In this case, I have this pair of earrings and they are big and I don't feel like I want to use them like that. So I'm going to transform them from earrings into pins. As you can see here, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take away the felt on the back. It's very important that you remove this pin over here. So if we cannot do it, we are going to need to cut this because we don't need the pin anymore. And we're almost there. So this is special scissors with the point. It has a curve like going up, so it's allow you to go a little bit into here. So this way I'm going to take away. Okay, here I have it. I can see it now. Here it can be a little bit hard, but it's not impossible. And then you can cut a tiny bit. Mostly you cut the glue. I don't want you to cut the fabric. Yes, there we go. Here. All right, so this is what we have. So I'm removing the pin. Actually, it got broke. And these little rubber cups I'm going to use for replacement from old ones I have in a pair of vintage earrings. So as you can see, these came different because in the first one I was like testing the method, so I removed this part completely and then I'm replacing it with this blue felt. But in this case, I'm gonna try to leave the same, and actually you work a little bit less if you do so. Then once you have your pin, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make two cuts to insert the two parts of the pin. And in this case, I'm gonna do it right here. So I don't have to cut or to look for a different fabric in order to finish or to make sure that I have it nice and clean. So this is what I'm going to do, and I'm gonna mark here and I'm gonna make my first cut, and now I'm making my second cut. So I'm gonna mark is around the very end part, almost at the tip of the place. So here. All right, so we're ready to insert the pin. I'm gonna do it the same way as you usually pin it on your jacket or on your dress. So from right to left. So you can do this easily and then close it with your right hand, especially if you're right-handed, so that is important. So let's go through here. You open your pin and you insert the two parts in your cuts. All right, so we have the first one, and now we're gonna go on the other one. Okay, this is better than I thought because it was easy. As you can see, I have it replaced perfectly and very fast. The way you do it so you don't spend too much time on it. This can happen, so what you do is use your pliers and just go like so. The problem is solved. So I'm going to use this E6000 and I'm going to place some of this glue around here, especially on the pin there, around the border. And always make sure to clean the tip of your glue so it doesn't get glued down. Make sure that the pin is right on place and horizontal. So that will be the transformation from an earring into this beautiful pin. And let's try it on a jacket to see how it looks like. And let's put this here. Now I'm gonna transform the second one, but first let's try it on the jacket. So we're gonna open it. And we're placing it here. You can use this pin on a jacket, even on purses. The other day I saw a lady with a lot of pins on her socks. Can you believe that? Look at how beautiful this is. So notice how to use them as pins instead of earrings. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to reuse my black felt, because this is kind of wobbly and soft, and this is more sturdy, and it is the same color. Unfortunately, I don't have any black. Look at how many felt I have here, and I don't have any black. So I want to keep the same pattern on this one. So let me reuse this same felt. So I need another safe pin here and repeat the same process to have this amazing result. So try it. You can even use it in hats, in your caps, in a scarf. Look at how many uses instead of having this in your drawers. So I hope you like this idea. It is always nice to have you around watching my videos, leaving me amazing and lovely comments. Don't stop doing it. I love to read them. Please leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and also don't go away without subscribing to my channel. It's very easy. You just click this icon over here, and if you want, hit the bell so you'll be notified and whenever I upload a new video. So thanks for watching, and I see you very soon in my next creative episode. Bye friends. Bye bye. Bye friends.